What's going on, guys? This is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and this is my final video about the Norton core. Today I want to recap what I've shared in my previous videos and also share some thoughts and things I ran into when using it every single day. This video is sponsored by Norton Core, but all of my opinions are my own. Let's begin. To give you a refresher, the Norton Core is a secure Wi-Fi router that protects any device connected to your network. Now, one of the main ways it does this is by using the security core feature. This is a number that is calculated based on the level of security on your network. Many factors are taken into account for that number, including is how strong is your Wi-Fi password, if your router is up to date, and more. Norton makes it easy to check your security core in the Core app. You can learn more about the security core in my dedicated video on it, linked below. The Norton Core is packed full of features. With your purchase, you'll receive Norton Security Unlimited for all of your devices. This ensures that your devices stay protected when you are away from home. The router isolates each connection, so this can stop malware from spreading from one computer to another on the same Wi-Fi network. All these security features will cost you $9.99 per month. If you decide to cancel, the Norton Core will still function as a regular router without the extra security benefits. When it comes to aesthetics, Norton Core looks pretty dope. Norton did this on purpose so you can feel good about placing it in an open area, such as on top of a desk. Now, it's important to have your router in an open area for maximum performance and coverage. Typically, people hide their router away because it has these obnoxious antennas and it's just ugly. But this is not the problem with Norton Core. Everything is in this big golf ball looking thing. There's no antennas visible or anything like that. Spec-wise, this router has 1 GB of RAM and a 1.7 GHz dual core processor. It also has 4 GB of flash memory, 2 USB 3.0 ports, Bluetooth Low Energy, and a dual 2.4 5 GHz network. The router uses the AC2600 standard, which means while it's fast, it's not the fastest router on the market. Norton says they did this to ensure the core balances speed while also remaining one of the most secure routers on the market. The Norton Core app has many features and settings you can poke around in. One cool feature that allows you to prioritize devices. By doing this, you can do things like set priority to your TV so it would never buffer when you're trying to watch Netflix. You can also set priority to game consoles to make sure you don't experience any sort of lag. In addition to all of you parents out there, you can pause the internet. This is an easy way to set boundaries, such as not using your phone at the dinner table. This is also a great way to ensure your kids take a break from the internet every now and then. Norton Core also allows you to identify devices with ease. On a traditional router, the control panel shows many random device names. Sometimes it makes you wonder what the heck is connected to your network. Norton Core fixes this issue and easily adds identification so you always know what's connected to your network at what time. If you want to learn more about these features of the Norton Core, then check out my previous videos dedicated to that. Anyways, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to my channel for more great videos. I'll talk to you guys later.